Welcome to this video with me, Excel Master Duncan Williamson. This is a very simple exercise in proving that flash fill has several facets, the most important of which is flash fill itself. So I'm going to show you how to reverse the names in the column. Look in column A, where we've got Williamson, Duncan, Smith, Albert, and so on. So the first 5 names are in that order. I've then got additional names which I'll come to at the end of each of these sections in this presentation. So we're going to reverse the names in the column using flash fill in Excel, in Power Query, and also by formula, actually not in that order. This is the answer. When we use a query, I've converted my names into an Excel table. There's the query. This is how I did it. I'm going to show you that. Secondly, by formula, Excel table, here's my formula. The formulae here are from Mike Gervin. They're different, but they do the same job, and I don't demonstrate them here, but this is mine. Look, there you are. There's a solution in one continuous Excel table. And then Excel itself, you can't see anything here, there's no formulae anywhere. But I took my original names, the first 5, I did what I'm going to demonstrate, and it's really very simple. In the end then, this flash fill all in one go is all you need. Let's begin by creating an Excel table. Control T, my table as head is yes, and I'm going to do data from table range. I'm creating a query. Notice I've only taken the first 5 names. Let's give it a name. First last. Add a column. Column from examples. From selection. And I type my output. This is what I want to see. I press enter. Nothing's happened. Let me start typing Albert. Press enter. And it did something, but you can see it's not right. Can you see that Danny Murphy? Difficult to read it, so let's look at Jack Johns. Should be Jack Johnson. The comma's there, and the problem here is D-U-N-C-A-N, 6 letters, A-L-B-E-R-T, 6 letters. When you've got the first couple or even 3 rows that have the same structure, you get this problem. What we need to do now then is type Danny Murphy, and now flash fill has taught itself that even if it's not 6, in this case it's only 5, it's the name, and there you are, it's done. Here's an important thing. Do I need that column? I don't. I can remove it. That's all there is to it. I'm going to Home, Close and Load to, Existing Worksheet, and I'm going to put it there, just for demonstration. There we go. Now watch what happens. Here's my additional names. I simply drag them. Yes, I know, there's already data there. I'm overwriting that heading. I've extended the table. All you do now, as you're probably well aware, if you've seen videos 1 and 2 in this series, click on the query table, then table design will do, click refresh, there you are. Not difficult, is it? Reversing the names in the column using Power Query. Secondly, we're going to use formula. The best way is to do this demonstration. I can put all 8 names together, create an Excel table, and because it's a formula, there's nothing fancy once you've created the formula. But actually you do the formula in 2 parts. Let me demonstrate what I mean by that. Just move this out of the way. So let's take the formula, and I want to get it to there. So up to the first ampersand, copy, and I'll paste it there. And there you are, that's the first name. So write A6, and I find how many letters I need by taking the length of A6, the whole length, and subtracting from it the number of letters from the comma to the end. And then to put them together, this is what we do. This one. So I'm going to concatenate. Ready? So I'll control that one. This is how I did it, by the way. And then I know I want ampersand, and I would like a space, an ampersand, and my second formula, press enter. I can get rid of this one now, and there you are. Oops. And drag down, and check that every name, first of all you have to make sure of course that there is a comma there. If there isn't a comma in some of them, well, put a comma in, otherwise you need a double formula. The bigger the list of names, the worse that is, but still, for now, that's fine. And there you are, that's a formula. I will do this one here by using flash fill in Excel. Now, in the next column along, type the answer you want. Now look, Albert Smith. Is that right? It looks right to me. Now watch what happens. You say, aha, didn't work. Now, press Ctrl and E. How about that? Reversing the names in a column using flash fill in Excel. Well, thank you for watching. With me, Duncan Williamson.